Then elbow back and towards mine. Good. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Brenda Mondragon. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Left atlas. Oh, haven't had a lefty in a while. Now chin back for me. So here's the real test. I'm gonna shake this joint over here. You have one on each side. Which one feels more stuck? This one? Nah. Tilt you a little bit. There you go. Breathe. Here's a bad one. There you go. At MondragonMerch.com, you'll find all the products I've personally created. 100% pure oils, no water, no glycerin, and no fillers. Boosted with blue tansy and arnica, delivers a deep relaxation without a greasy feel, just a clean, fresh scent. In addition, check out my back massage rollers. They are perfect for when you don't have time to get a massage. Right here. There we go. Excellent. Other side. How are you doing so far?
That was nice.
Okay. Chin back. Wow. Breathe. Bring that head back. There you go. Nice. Well, you survived your first adjustment. It went really nice. Lee. I'll make sure you're okay. Very good. I'm going to let that rest. It's a lot of work right there. Let's just leave it like that.
I mean, the restless leg thing, it makes them sore, but I don't feel like...
That, I think, is your low back.
Yeah, but also, like, when I walk, like you said, like, I think sometimes I walk, like, on the sides of my feet.
Yes, you supinate.
And that kind of hurts.
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Yep.
But I don't know if that's, like, something, like, you do. I don't know. It's just, it's all up to you.
I can look at it.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to get the foot moving here, okay? Okay. Nice. That was your hip.
That was a deep one.
Yeah, that was very good. Very nice. All right. Come on and sit up and face the window. I'm going to do the upper extremities here, okay? We just did the lower extremities, now we're going to do upper extremities. Okay. Then elbow back and towards mine. Good.
Ooh.
And away. Just stretching. Okay, then leave your hand down your hip. elbow back. Good. Relax. Good. Lean away. Oh, it was a freebie. Deep breath in. Oh my God. Very nice. She's got it right here. So that matches the atlas. Right, deep breath in. And again. Let it all out, let it all. Deep breath in again. It's a little tight there. Okay, that was like half the cracks there. You got one right here. I'm going to reach into your hip right here, just to your bone. Good. Okay, breathe. I'm going to use my elbow here, okay? Is it too much?
Mm-mm.
Breathe. This is where you're a little stuck. This is what takes the toll when you sit forward.
Mm-hmm.
The pressure's being applied. Is this too much? You let me know.
No, you're good.
Okay. So I just keep going. I might be blocking your view. I'm not sure, Linnea, but I gotta do this. Whatever she can handle. You know, like when you get your teeth clean, get all of the tartar and the plaque. That's all I'm doing. That's it. How are you doing?
Good.
I'm going to get in here. These are not as... They're a little bit, more tender than the lower back. I'm sorry. You're doing good. Doing good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I went in for it. I was like, this is
You're good. Do whatever you need to do.
Just do it.
I can take it.
This side isn't as bad over here. Okay. Come back and around underneath your scapula. There it goes. Just get it. And back down. come up and around. We're gonna come up here. There it goes. Oof, well that needs the star. Okay, I'm sorry. There we go. Hold on, one more. We're gonna dig on it, okay? There it goes. I'm gonna go side. I'm sorry.
It just feels weird.
I know. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Phew, okay, you did it. Brachial plexus, the big bundle of nerves that run to your arm, are right there. So it's not just you; it's everybody. I gotta clean it out though. If I don't see now, it's all nice and loose. There's some probably residual soreness, but there's not that big bundle that was there anymore. So I'm like, okay, she did it. No pain when I do this?
Yeah.
Feel good? Okay. I don't feel anything. I'm just making sure that you and me are on the same page. Okay, we're gonna go to the other side. She's got nothing there. Oh, she has pretty good. I know it's not the most pleasant though. All right, we're gonna do the legs. But I'm going to come up here and I want you to take a deep breath in. Deep. And then we're going to exhale and lift your legs up. That's it. I know it's intense. And again. Good. Ooh. You okay with that one?
Yeah.
All right, now we got to go the other way. So you're going to lift with me so your head goes on top of your forearms. Up. All right, here's the scraper. And these bruises are going to last about 7 days. Okay. You've never had it done before, so I expect you to bruise somewhat. Every time you have it done, it's less and less.
Not a lot.
You're going to find out in a second. Should I spoil it for her? Sometimes people don't have anything, but you've got quite a... It's there. Let's put it that way. Yeah, you're definitely bruising. I wouldn't say it's more than what... You're not the worst case
like
of ever.
Average.
No, it's average, yeah. Average amount of buildup. My brother, when he filmed me, but he couldn't get anything out because I've had it done so much. So he had to go all the way out here into the ribs, to find something. I was like, oh, sorry, Ed. I don't bruise anymore. And it wasn't very dramatic. And I was like, yeah, that's probably not going to be the highlight of my video. You got a little bit of congestion here. I know you feel it. I'm just pulling it out. It goes into your rib, and it's underneath your scapula. So what I want you to do, and make sure you're covered here, you're just going to lift this arm up over your head, and then you're going to kind of look off the table over here. So like come up and over. I got to almost lift that shoulder blade up. Okay. Yeah, I got to get underneath here. got 2 ribs out over here, so I really have to open it up and lift. The scapula was on top of it. So now that I've lifted it above the ribs, I can pull it out there. That's it. I can go back down. Yep. I didn't see it on this side. Let me just check for fun. Do the same thing on the other side. Is that sensitive?
Yeah. But like not in a bad way, like I just feel like it's doing something.
Yeah. That's now you know how pretty much all of this is. It's like, yeah, it's doing something. See, these ribs go more horizontal, and then as we go down, they slope more vertically. It's pretty cool. Here it comes. I was waiting for it. I'm like, I can feel it. Just gonna take a little while to bubble up here. Okay, this is gonna be, it's coming through so much now that it's gonna be a little itchy.
Okay.
All right, arnica. Do you know what arnica is?
Mm-mm.
You can buy it at like Target or anything. It's just it's like homeopathic medicine. It will cut this down in like a day.
Okay.
I'll apply some to your skin, but sometimes it's like sunburn, like putting aloe vera on a sunburn.
Mm-hmm.
Put arnica on petechiae.
Okay.
You're young, healthy, you can handle it. You have somebody that's really older, I wouldn't be doing this. I haven't, 80-year-old patients, no.
Mm-hmm.
People with paper thin skin, no.
Mm-hmm.
But if you can handle it, I will certainly try to pull it out for you. It takes care of it quicker, okay?
Yeah.
I could gradually do this over maybe 10 visits.
Mm-hmm.
This is one shot here, okay? So it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable for a few days.
Okay.
But get it over with. Just do it. I'm just like, get it over with. All right, tuck your chin for me. Like a little bit more. Just to there. Yep, and relax the shoulders. I'm going to get into this scapula here. There, you can hear that one.
Just feels weird, like when they move around, like the muscles or whatever that is.
Mm-hmm. It's all normal. It shouldn't really be there. It should be smooth. And like, see how this is smooth
Mm-hmm.
for the most part?
Mm-hmm.
This is all built up, normal build up. It's not like, oh, I've never seen that before.
Mm-hmm.
It's just normal.
Like it doesn't even hurt. It's just like, whoa, like, it's like a weird feeling when they're all like moving around.
Look at it. That's about tapped out right there. I can't go anymore. I'll make you bleed. I don't want to make you bleed. Just take you to end range. All right, so go ahead and just take a picture of it for her. Okay, you can come on and put your shirt on.
Okay.
Whew. I know. It's a lot. No one shot there like that. Your phone, you can see your picture.
Oh my gosh. That's
So
crazy.
yeah, that's gonna take a little longer than a couple days to go away.
That's hilarious. I love that.
It'll take about 7 days.
Okay.
Okay. What was it, sore? I'll go later. Okay, let's get the left side of her. Sorry. These are just tender muscles. So this is arnica. Okay. To at least feel cooling. Does it feel warm?
It just feels like a gel.
I feel like the cream. Like, I don't need a cream. I just need a gel. It's like aloe vera.
Yeah, gel, nice. Nice and cooling.
We're gonna do the rest of the pops now.
Okay.
You've survived. You've done pretty well, I'd say.
Nice.
Lean away from me. Good. Not this one. I'm not sure if I can go around the. Yeah, I think I can. Am I pulling on your piercing at all?
Mm-mm.
Nope. Okay, good. No, not too much congestion. You're doing good. A little bit. Very good.
That was weird. But I liked it.
You're just ungluing the ear from the head.
That's so funny.
Kind of like what we did with your low back.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same thing. The skin gets stuck. Just freeze and it's moving, but when it gets stuck, then it kind of cracks as you pull it apart.
Interesting.
All right, on your side facing me. Head off the table for me, like backwards the other way. Ooh.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. Relax, I got you. There it goes. Other side. Same thing, head's gonna go off the table. Take a deep breath. Wow, very good. On your back. The front joint on the front of the pelvis here.
Mm-hmm.
Press out against my arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And squeeze. Very good. Great job. Easy.
The face I made when I was like pushing against you, I was like,
Oh, I wasn't looking. Come on up and see how it feels. That was pretty good.
I feel great. I feel loosey-goosey up here now.